What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on TSLA ticker symbol. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with amazing fundamental news related to Tesla company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here, at this point, when we completed all 5-wave structure from its recent swing low. And I've told you that we have to hit lower targets and we have to unload this structure. And my main assumption was that we should land at least a 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level at the price point of roughly $790. And also it is the confluence with our previous support range. That is at $782.59. And as you can see, we hit this range to the tick and went from this level higher. And your potential profits might be up to 8.11% to the current range. And I have to say that in my opinion it is only the beginning of this movement, and most likely we might see next leg to the upside and we might hit higher targets. But everything I will show you in my technical analysis, and I will show you major targets that we might hit by the end of this year. And for now, let's continue with the recent news related to Tesla. First of all, let me show you this article that was published on March the 8th on Seeking Alpha, and it's titled Tesla sells 56,515 China-made vehicles in February. Local deliveries up 20% sequentially. And let me quote you this. Tesla reports China-made electric cars sales slipped 5.6% month-over-month and grew more than 200% year-over-year in February. The total number of Tesla's China-made cars was 56,515 units in February versus 59,845 units in January. And you have to keep in mind that February is a very short month, and that's why we have this small decrease in this number. So, in December, the company sold 70,847 China-made cars versus 52,859 units in November. Local deliveries were 23,200 cars versus 19,346 in January. Definitely it is a good increase, especially year over year. And let me show you another article. We are on teslarati.com, and this article was published on March the 9th, and it's titled Tesla dominates January BEV sales in the United States with the S3XY lineup all in top 10. And let me quote you this. Tesla's domination of the United States electric vehicle sector continues. Tesla's Model Y, Model 3 and Model S climbed the top 3 spots of January's US BEV registrations, with its top 2 models combining for well over 60% of the total electric vehicle sales during 2022's first month. The Model X was 9th on the January list. And let me show you the list by itself. Tesla sold more than 18.5 thousand vehicles of Model Y, more than 13.6 thousand vehicles of Model 3, and more than 3.9 thousand vehicles of Model S. And this is a very good achievement because top 3 positions in this list are Teslas. And the 9th place is on the Tesla's Model X with 1,100 vehicles. So definitely it is a very good fundamental news that will improve the financials of Tesla. But let me show you another article, and this article was published on Monthly Fool on March the 9th, and it says why Tesla stock popped today. And the majority of you might know that back in 2018, Musk tweeted several tweets, and on these tweets, SEC charges that Musk made false and misleading statements. And definitely it was a lawsuit on Musk's tweets. And for now, let me show you this. Now Musk wants to go back on his agreement with the SEC, arguing that he only agreed to the agency's terms in 2018 for the survival of Tesla, for the sake of its shareholders, and that the strictures imposed by the SEC violate his First Amendment rights to free speech. And why it is so important for investors? The fact that the decree remains in force, even technically, means there is an ongoing risk that the SEC might seek to enforce it by suing Tesla, Musk, or both. If the consent decree goes away, that litigation risk to Tesla also goes away, and that's what investors are hoping for today. Definitely, these news combined are very bullish on Tesla, and that's why I think we have more upside potential for Tesla for now. And let me show you the list of their institutional investors. As you can see right here, the green rows indicate new positions and red rows indicate closed positions. And overall we have much more green rows than red ones. But I want to pay your attention on the most recent, one of the most recent filings. It was made on March the 9th, and the Norge Bank opened a completely new position with the value of more than $7.9 billion. And it is extremely huge position. And let me show you that Norge Bank has the Tesla stock on the top 6 list of their investments. And as you can see, the top list is following: Apple, Microsoft, Alphabet, Amazon, Meta Platforms, and Tesla. Definitely it is a very good sign for the company that major banks opened a completely new position with Tesla, and this position is really huge. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, I have to say that because of this bounce to the upside, we might project some medium-term targets for this asset, and for this case I have to pull the Fibonacci extension tool from this bottom to this top and to the bottom of the retracement. And with the assumption that we have to land the top of our third wave, our main range where we might land is 1.618 extension, and it is the confluence with this range of support / resistance, and it is the price point of $1,113. Definitely this level, let me mark it for you, definitely this level might be achieved in the next couple of weeks. But first of all, we have to break all the resistances that are above our current price, and we have to hold the line of support that is at roughly $790. So this is our short and medium term target, and if I switch to daily time frame, right here we can see the main target that we might achieve in next several months. And to project these targets, I pulled the Fibonacci extension tool from this bottom to this top and to the bottom of the retracement. As you can see, the lowest point is right here. And our major targets are following. It is $1,228, and it is the confluence with our previous swing high. Next one is one-to-one extension, and it is $1,374. And the most aggressive one that we might hit by the end of this year is roughly $1,800, and it is 1.618 extension level. So definitely for now Tesla is extremely bullish, and I've showed you only the most recent news related to Tesla. And keep in mind that on my previous video I've told you that all the problems with the Berlin Gigafactory was released, and that's why Giga Berlin will start its production in upcoming weeks, and this will also increase its fundamental position, and it will increase the number of sales, and definitely it will lead to much higher price of Tesla stock. That's why you have to be prepared for the movement to the upside. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!